Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
There are 2 reasons that I have found that seitan could come out too tough. 1. Not enough water is a common reason. The less liquid that is added to the wheat gluten, the more firm it will become. 9 February 2011.
Take our lead.
Center the seitan at the end of the cheesecloth and roll it snugly. Twist the ends and tie with twine, cut off excess cloth. Tie more twine around the dough end to end and middle of the dough so it can't expand too much during cooking. This is very important because it's what makes the seitan firm.
Let's help you make your mark.
Yes, you can freeze seitan for up to 3 months. You could also store it in the fridge in an airtight container for up to 5 days. If you store it in the cooled broth you cooked it in, it will last even longer. 17 December 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
For what it's worth, I read once that you should briefly soak seitan in a bowl, covered in boiled water, to soften it up before using it. Mix in a bowl for 2 minutes. 1 cup vital wheat gluten. 1 teaspoon onion. 1 teaspoon steak seasoning. A 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast flakes.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.